Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts, and as you can see, we are going to talk about frankincense, one of my favorite essential oils, and I'm actually going to talk about a specific brand and why in the next couple slides. So before I begin, I want to talk about this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So here it is, frankincense. This is definitely a versatile essential oil, and I'm going to be talking about young living. And this is the reason, because it is top-notch through the seed to seal process, and it's definitely a quality commitment. So all oils in the world actually fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. And we're going to go over each one. So what is authentic? It's actually 100% pure. It really means that there's no added synthetics or other species such as chemicals or fillers in the bottle. So young living oils are authentic. Manipulated oils means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance the aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance their aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action. Frequently, solvents are used to extract the plant. Synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. So again, authentic is the only true pure oil. Synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice and diluting it 95% before you drink it, and diluting it with chemicals. Yuck. It just wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only just orange juice. So that's why you want to use authentic oils. So before you purchase any oils anywhere, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the sealed bottle. Actually, pesticides, pollution, previously farmed land, all of it can affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical, only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It just doesn't make any sense. So if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll actually see nutrition facts on the side. There are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. That means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's the seed to seal process. It's our promise of purity. You can actually learn more about the seed to seal at seedtoseal.com. All of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where it's run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm at Spanish Fork and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. You can trust the integrity. Seed to Seal is based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living's oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So again, Young Living seed to seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and they are then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So seed to seal is not a slogan, it is a promise. So let's talk about frankincense essential oil. Again, it's very versatile, but it is also one of the top skin oils. It can actually help smooth the appearance of skin, and it's actually a key ingredient in Young Living's Brain Power Essential Oil Blend. You can diffuse during prayer time to help with grounding and purpose. Frankincense essential oil has a broad range of uses, from enhancing spiritual and meditative practice to use in beauty routines. Frankincense has an earthy, uplifting aroma that's perfect for grounding and spiritual connectedness. You can actually create a safe and comforting environment by diffusing the oil's empowering aroma, particularly when you are seeking purpose or engaged in prayer or meditation. In addition to elevated spiritual experiences, frankincense can help you maintain the appearance of radiant skin. Its ability to smooth the appearance of healthy skin explains why this oil is a key ingredient in our Biswala wrinkle cream. So some of the applications, you can actually add frankincense to your moisturizer to highlight your natural beauty and promote the appearance of healthy looking skin and even skin tones, which I love to do. You can add a few drops to V6, a vegetable oil complex, and use it in a massage after activity. Some applications, you can actually invite elevated spiritual experiences every day by diffusing this oil in your home. You can also incorporate frankincense into your yoga ritual by diffusing it during your routine to promote feelings of relaxation and tranquility. Where to diffuse. Elevate your sacred space with a grounding, earthy aroma to help sustain your sense of connectedness. Cuddle up by the fire with comfortable clothes and nostalgic, pleasant, woody scent for a relaxing evening snowed in. Directions. Topical. You can actually apply 2 to 4 drops directly to desired area. Dilution's not required except for the most sensitive skin. Use as needed. So you can also diffuse up to 1 hour 3 times daily. And again, I wanted to talk about the cautions. Please keep out of reach of children. For external use only, keep away from eyes and mucous membranes. And if you are a pregnant nurse and taking medication or have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. Also, before I end this slideshow, this oil is flammable, so please do not use near fire, flame, heat, or sparks, and do not store above room temperature. And let me tell you, I can easily go through this this bottle of oil like nobody's business. So anyways, if you have any questions regarding these essential oils, Young Living, or you want to reach out, I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon and connecting with you. So take care.